Buongiorno! Benvenuti sul mio canale. Welcome to my channel. Do you want to speak some Italian today? Ti va di parlare un po' di italiano? In this video, you learn how to conjugate all regular verbs in the first person of the present in Italian, in the typical smart lessons for busy people style, of course. Let's get started. Iniziamo! Oh, by the way, if you like this type of video and you would like to get more of smart lessons for busy people, please click on the notification bell and of course on subscribe. Don't waste any time looking for videos. We're all busy people. Ciao a tutti! Let's get started. Iniziamo! All Italian verbs end in T letters, all infinitives, all basic forms you find in a dictionary. That means that if you look up a verb in a dictionary or in your online dictionary, you will find verbs which end in are, ere, ire. What does it mean? For example, mangiare, guardare, parlare, dormire, finire, capire, credere, vedere. Okay? So there are only three endings for Italian infinitives: are, ere, ire. Now, in order to use them, you leave out the three letters are or ere or ire. You delete them. Okay? And what do you have? For example, parlare, are, the stem is parl, parl, but of course we cannot use it like this. I speak is parlo. If you remember the o in Italian, then this is the ending that you can use to talk about yourself. You don't need the word I. This is the only ending which already can tell the person you're talking to that you're talking about yourself. For example, if you say parlo, it means I speak. If I say canto, it means I sing. If I say cammino, it means I walk. So you look out for the o. And how do you do that? Today you can already conjugate all regular verbs. So you just leave out the are, ere or ire ending of the verb you find in the dictionary. And this is for hundreds of verbs, hundreds and hundreds of verbs, all regular verbs. And then you just add the o if you're talking about yourself. Let's try. You already know by now parlare, parlo, I speak. And if you take another verb like cantare, cantare to sing, canto. Lavorare, this is a bit long, but you will need it. Lavorare means to work. Lavorare. Can you try again? Lavorare. But fortunately, the first person is much shorter. Lavoro, lavoro, I work, lavoro. And then let's take another verb with ire, for example. Dormire, dormire. Dormire, first person, dormo, dormo, I sleep. Cucinare, a very important verb for Italians. Cucinare means to cook. Cucinare. Maybe you can remember cuisine, cucinare. First person, I cook, cucino, cucino. And then what do you do after cooking? You eat. Mangio, mangiare, mangio, mangiare, mangio. And now, two verbs with ere. Vedere, vedere, to see. Vedo, vedo, vedere, vedo, I see. And scrivere, scrivere, to write. scrivo, scrivo, I write. So now you can conjugate all regular verbs in the first person, in Italian, first person of the present. And as I said in another video, the present tense is useful in Italian not only to say I eat or I drink or I sleep. You can use it when you mean the future tense. So you will learn in another video how to say tomorrow or tonight, and you can just use the present and you can already say something like tonight I'm going to eat, tonight I'm going to sleep, or anything like that. So very soon you will be able to say much more. A presto! Ciao! I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a reminder, if you like this video and you would like to get more explanations about grammar, vocabulary, phrases, Italian culture, don't forget to click subscribe and click the thumbs up button. Bye bye. A presto. Once more.